Hello to everyone. I am Professor Raja, working as Assistant Professor, EC Department, SNS College of Technology, an autonomous institution Coimbatore. In this YouTube video, I am going to discuss about 23 ITT 301 microcontroller and embedded system subject under the topic types of microcontrollers memory. So, if you watched in my previous playlist series, you may know about how the microcontroller is working and the various architecture of microcontrollers and the various input output pins available in 8051 microcontroller and the various peripherals that are available in microcontrollers are discussed. I will give a link inside this description. Now I am going to discuss the types of microcontrollers memory. A memory means a storage of any data which is used for present, past and future purposes. So mainly microcontrollers have two types of on-chip memory such as flash memory and data memory, but microcontrollers also have a limited amount of erasable electronic medium which is used to store data permanently even if the power is lost. Code memory, data memory and CPU registers are the main three types of memory that are resources available in microcontroller. This figure shows the classifications of CPU register based on flash memory and data RAM memory. Flash memory. Flash memory or non-volatile memory. Flash memory is a non-volatile memory and it holds our embedded application program code and some data. This is also known as a code memory. Code memory is usually larger than a RAM memory because flash memory contains our program code and code size is typically larger than the program data. Moreover, once the microcontroller is programmed, the memory space is reserved for the application code in flash memory and this memory space cannot be overwritten during the program execution and it can be overwritten only once the device is reprogrammed. But during the program execution, this memory space has only read-only permission. But RAM memory can be overwritten by many parts of application data during program execution. So in general, the flash memory is a non-volatile memory that holds the embedded application program code and some data. For example, if you buy the mobile phone, the Android software and some of the mobile applications are already programmed in your new mobile phone. And if you want to use any new added app like an IRCTC rail booking app or sometimes a GPay, PhonePe or any payment option which is used by the user, that can be stored in a next type of memory called a data memory. Now we will see that type. RAM, that is volatile memory. RAM memory holds different types of program data such as temporary variables, global variables, program stack and heap sections. The RAM memory in microcontrollers is usually lesser in size than the flash memory. One of the reasons is discussed in the last section that the other important reason is that RAM memory has low latency than flash memory. That means RAM speed is faster than the flash memory. The cost of RAM memory is higher than the flash memory. Therefore, RAM size is usually lesser than flash memory in microcontrollers. CPU registers in volatile type. CPU register holds operands, instruction addresses, runtime state of the program. CPU has two types of registers such as general purpose register and a special function register. So when I discussed the architecture of 8051 microcontroller, I clearly told how these general purpose registers and special function registers are used inside this 8051 microcontroller. If you have any doubt, I will give the link on that video. General purpose register hold values of the operands on which the CPU wants to perform operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. On the other contrary, special function registers such as program counters, main stack pointer, instruction pointer, etc. will define the state of the program. So in this YouTube video, I discussed the important types of memories available in 8051 microcontroller. In 8051 microcontroller, there are three types of memories are there. One is CPU register, another one is flash code memory, next one is the data RAM memory. Flash code memory is the code containing memory and the data RAM memory is the temporary memory that the user can use their current and future temporary data that are stored inside this 8051 microcontroller. So thank you for watching my video. Next YouTube video I am going to discuss the new topics in 8051 microcontroller. Thank you all.